Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. So today in this video I am going to solve 15 MCQs on Vedic age, and this MCQ on Vedic age is MCQ practice set second. Before this I have already discussed 15 MCQs on Vedic age 1. So I would suggest to watch that, then watch this. Those who are watching my video for the first time, please go and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So here we start. The first question is, Rig Veda asserts 33 gods and they are associated with whom? Sky, earth, intermediate regions, all. The answer is going to be all. So all the 33 gods are associated with sky, earth or intermediate regions. Okay, just like this, 3 pockets. The next question is, later Vedic literature includes Book 2 of Rig Veda Samhita, Brahmanas attached to all the 4 Vedas, the Samhitas of the Sama, Yajur and Atharvaveda, Book 10 of Rig Veda Samhita, and it has more than one correct answer. So the answer is going to be B, C and D. Okay, this book 2, it comes under early Vedic period, so it is not included in this. So B, C and D are included in later Vedic literature. The next question is, which of the following god has been mentioned as Vritrahan in Rig Veda? Okay, options are Agni, Indra, Varun, Marut. The answer is going to be Indra. So Indra is attributed of killing a demon named Vritra, so that is why he is being mentioned as Vritrahan, Hanta, Hatya. Okay, the next question is, twin gods associated with war and fertility is Agni, Ashwin, Varun, Indra. The answer is going to be Ashwin. Ashwin is the twin god who is associated with war as well as fertility. So it is important, like we have a god who is twin god, that associated with 2 things. One is war and the other thing is fertility. The next question is, in which of the following later Vedic literature there is reference of earliest iron in Indian subcontinent? It's Krishna as, Shyam or Shyam as. These 3 words are being mentioned in which of the later Vedic literature? That is the question. Options are Yajur, Atharva, Sama. The answer is going to be Yajur and Atharva. I have told you earlier also to remember this like Ya. Okay, Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda have mentioned about iron. Next question is, Battle of 20 Kings are mentioned in which book? Book 1, Book 2, Book 3, Book 4. So the answer is going to be Book 1. Battle of 20 Kings is mentioned in Book 1 of Rig Veda Samhita. The next question is, Book 3 of Rig Veda is attributed to whom? Atri, Vishwamitra, Gritra, Samad and Bhardwaj. The answer is going to be Vishwamitra. I have told you in my previous video that book 2 to 7 are known as family books, and these books are always attributed to some rishi or seer. So here this book 3 is attributed to Vishwamitra. Similarly, book Atri is a seer who has been given credit in book 5th. So like this you can remember. Next question is, in the early Vedic period, Varna system was based on what? Education, birth, occupation, talent. So the answer is going to be C, that is occupation. In early Vedic period it was occupation, but when it comes later Vedic period it transforms into birth. Okay, so this caste system that we have today, even today, has the root in this later Vedic period. Although there were some changes in between, but this was the basic beginning of the caste system in India. The next question is, which one of the following Vedas contains sacrificial formulae? Samaveda, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda. So sacrificial formula is being contained in Yajur Veda. Okay, Yajur, like you can relate Yajur with Yag, and in Yag you always have mantras that is being chanted to attribute some kind of sacrifices, that can be anything. So it's Yajur Veda. Answer is going to be Yajur Veda. Next question is, which of the following contains the famous Gayatri mantra? Rig Veda, Samveda, Kathopanishad, Atre Brahman. So the answer is Rig Veda. Gayatri Mantra is a very famous mantra, and this Gayatri Mantra is being dedicated to Savitri or Savita. So this Gayatri Mantra is very important mantra, and it holds important place in Rig Vedic text also. The next question is, which one of the following stages of the life of man in Aryan society in ascending order of age is correct? Okay, so we have to arrange it in ascending order. The first option is Brahmacharya, Grihasth, Vanprasth, Sannyas. I think this one is the correct answer. Yeah, because Grihasth no, Brahmacharya, Vanprasth no. Then you have, because every order starts with Brahmacharya and it will end with Sannyas. Okay, so the first one is the answer. The next question is, the Upanishads are a series of books devoted to yoga, social law, philosophy, or religious rituals. So Upanishads are related to philosophy. It talks lots on philosophy, their take on society. Everything is being discussed in Upanishad in a philosophical way. So the answer is going to be philosophy. The next question is, the Vedas reflect a close connection with which country? Europe, Pakistan, Iran, or Sri Lanka? The answer is going to be Iran, because we have lots of references that we find similarity between Rig Vedic text and the Iranian culture or Iranian text of that time. So the answer is Iran. The next question is, how many types of sacrificial priests are mentioned in Rig Vedic text? 5, 6, 7, or 12? So these sacrificial priests are total 7 that is being mentioned in Rig Vedic text. The next question is, and the last one, which of the following gods are associated with Kshetra, that is secular power, sovereignty, and kinship? The answer is Varun. Okay, and this is very important, it is like, okay, at that time we had the concept of secular power, then sovereignty, as well as kinship. So this is very interesting. So guys, this was for today. I hope you will enjoy while solving the MCQs. The PDF link to this practice set is given in the description box, so download and practice, and I hope that it will help you to build the concept as well as help you to crack the NET exam. So please like my video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow us on Instagram. Please follow us on Instagram, because we conduct quizzes regularly. Already 2 quizzes has been conducted, so you will get the detail on quizzes on Instagram. The links will be shared there, so follow us on Instagram. You can also follow us on Facebook, and you can join us on Telegram. On Telegram you will get all the materials. Okay, so you may join there, you can follow us. So guys, this was it for today. Thank you.